Okay.
Can you? I mean, the only thing I want is in paper, or an email saying that the students will get to see whoever sent an email. Can you send that email to all the students?
What I said is, yes, what I said is there are two categories of students, right? The ones that will be happy with the C, and the others that, okay, would like to take the exam. Now, because I do not know, okay, whether the person, okay, that said C to a name I mentioned, right, was the actual person, I said I would like to have an email from the persons who we are willing to be happy with the C, so that it comes from the mail of the student, and I know that the C that the students mentions is a legitimate C.
Yes, I'm saying that's fine. I'm saying that also send an email stating that as well, because there's students in here who didn't join the call, who are not aware of this.
Or to say to the students that...
Send an email to all the students in the class about this.
Okay, instead of doing that, because this may also have a problem, right? Why don't you send an email to all the students of the class? Understand what I'm saying?
Understand? The students send it? Okay.
Because the thing is, this came from you. If I now send emails, do you prefer a C or to take the exam? This is a little bit, So, if you go, I think you can find the emails, right? So the thing is, okay, if there is someone who has not received that, right, I will receive some emails with the students. Okay, so because you talk to each other, right? You talk to each other. So talk to your other friends if some of your friends were not here. You don't have actually to go and ask people that you don't know whether they want to see, right? That's not also correct. So students who know other students, okay, mention this to them, okay? Okay, so say if you feel that you are not comfortable, okay, for getting a C, you have the option to get the C, and okay, it will be a passing grade or something like that. Okay, I don't think it's a good idea to send questions. Do you want a C or not? Okay, so it is to accommodate the students on one hand, but on the other hand, to be a little bit, discreet.
Professor, do we have to worry about that the C won't be posted?
The C, the thing is, the grades, the grades, right, will be posted, okay, when I will post the other grades of the students. So let's say I have the class 35 classes, 35 students. I will put the different grades, A, B, etc., and then I will add also the C of the students.
But Professor, since you already know who needs the C, why can't you just put it in? This will be easier if for some reason there's any issues. Compared to doing it on Friday and you get flooded with emails. It'll be just better if you could do it in the next 2 days or so. Everyone that wants a C, because that's not going to change.
Yeah.
What is not going to change?
So what I'm saying is everyone that just stated they want a C or a passing grade, you could technically put their grades in the next 1 or 2 days. So you don't need to worry about it because that's guaranteed that they're going to get a C. And the people that are going to take the exam, you could just put their grade after. So this way, we wouldn't need to worry.
What I'm saying here,
with you after.
Man, I don't put the grades now. Okay, I will put the grades when I will have all the grades.
We're just worried you're not going to put the C. Are you going to put the C?
This is what I said, and I will do that. Well, okay, so I will not put a C. Okay, before I have given, because okay, someone will say, what the hell is this? If someone checks them, will say, how this guy get a C and has not taken the final? Right? Okay. Because someone, the final may be now, maybe Friday or something like that, depending on when the exam will take place. So okay. I cannot put grades, I cannot put final grades in the system when a class has not taken the exam.
Okay, we see what you're saying. You don't want to make it official, but you still give us a C. We understand.
Right. I agree.
Okay.
We understand. Okay.
Okay, guys.
No. So, Professor, don't leave me though. Don't forget to leave me. I'm just saying, because I'm waiting for you to give me my.
Okay. So the thing is, do you have problem to know the names, to know the grades?
No, I'm saying that when everyone leaves, when everyone leaves the meeting, it's gonna be me and you, and we're gonna discuss it. Once I know the grade, I'll tell you whether I want to write exams or not. That's all I want to do.
Okay.
Professor, before that, talking for the students who are taking the exam, do you have any suggestion regarding how we come to how we agree on a single date and time?
How do we agree on a single date and time?
Yeah.
No, Bankat, don't worry. I will text you. Let this end in a very peaceful way. I'll text you.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Professor, I'm still here.
So you are the only one now?
No, I don't think so. I'm just waiting for them to go so that I will just check.
So are we done here so we can figure out his grades? Can I leave the meeting?
Right now the way we are, right? There are students who basically have a grade, and then we have to find a time slot for the other students.
All right. So has everyone left the room yet?
I mean, if there's nothing else the professor has to say to class, then we can leave.
No, that's it. It's okay. You can leave. What do you call it? Jason. Is there anybody on the meeting too? Because I can't see.
Yeah, actually there are about 10, 12.
Guys, leave the meeting.
Well, hold up. How we?
For some reason, I see the number moving from 19 to 18, back to 18, back to 19, back to 18.
Guys, please, it's over. Bye. Have a good day, and wait for his email.
I think
Thank you guys for leaving one after the other.
You have intimidated the people. You are not a good guy. Now we have 15.
No, because it's over.
Now we have 15.
15? Guys, go. Guys, it's over. The meeting is over. I have a personal meeting with the professor. Please. Thank you.
I have a guy named Trump.
Oh no, that's me.